and welcome to Marseille in France. And today we're going to taste one of the Marseille specialties that the locals enjoy.
Panisses is a fritter made from chickpea flour, which can be eaten, fried or baked in the oven. A culinary specialty of Ligurian origin, the ancient people who live in southeastern Gaul. Delicious and nourishing, yet extremely cheap.
If you pass by Marseille, stop at Panisses or Stock for a pure moment of happiness and where you can find the best panisses in the city, or you can make them at home.
It's quick and easy to prepare. So what you'll need for 6 people: 250 grams chickpea flour, 1 liter of water, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, olive oil for frying. Pour the flour into a non-stick saucepan. Pour cold water in small quantities, stirring regularly, preferably with a wooden spoon to avoid making lumps. Add the salt, then the olive oil. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens, at least 10 minutes. Pour the whole on a plate previously filmed. Smooth, then lay a layer of film on top. Let cool. Then cut the panisses to the desired shape. Then fry them at 160 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Absorb the excess oil with paper towel and serve. If you do not have a fryer, you can immerse them in a pan filled with oil.
That's it. In 15 minutes, you are ready to taste your panisses. We wish you all a very good appetite. I am Febeleen Calpo. I am one with 25.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave some love by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe here at EBC Digital Nest so you don't miss any of our upcoming features.